yourself.
My name is Nirmala Jyoti. I am studying third class. My school name is Krishnaveni High School.
Rights.
RIGHTS.
Very good. Citizen.
CITIZEN. Citizen.
Minister.
MINIST or Minister.
Very good. Prime.
PRIME Prime.
Very good. President.
PRISENTA.
From government.
GROVERMENT.
Next.
My name is Ushasa. I am studying in third class. My
Ready.
school name is Krishnaveni High School.
Tradition.
TRADITION.
Culture.
CULTURE.
Very good. Weather.
WATHER.
Weather. Very good. Climate.
CLIMATE.
Very good. Forest.
FOREST.
Very good. Next.
My name is Monica S.
Desert.
DESCRT.
Very good. Mountain.
MOUNTAIN.
Very good. River.
RIVER.
Very good. Ocean.
OCEAN.
Very good. Continent.
COUNT.
From continent.
GROBE.
Congratulations.